In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your phone number on Whop. Adding your phone number is a great way to keep your account more secure and make logging in easier. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen as we go. First, open your browser and go to your Whop Home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to secure. The Home dashboard is your main landing page on Whop, where you can see your memberships and other account details. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where you access all of your personal settings and account options. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear, and within that menu you'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on the gear icon. This will take you directly into your general account settings page. On the settings page, look for the section called Account Security. This is where Whop keeps all the options related to protecting your account. Click on Account Security to open those options. Inside the Account Security area, you should see a line for your phone number with a button that says Add next to it. Click on Add. This is where you'll actually start connecting your phone number to your Whop account. A small window or section will open with a country drop-down selector. Click on the country drop-down. You'll see a list of countries appear. Scroll through the list and click on your country. This is important because it ensures that the correct country code is added in front of your phone number. After you've chosen your country, click into the phone number field. Now carefully type in your phone number. Make sure it's a number you can access right now, and double check that you haven't added any extra zeros or symbols. Once your number looks correct, click on the Send Code button. Whop will send a verification code by text message to the number you just entered. Check your phone, find the code you received, and enter that code back into Whop where prompted. After you've successfully verified the code, your phone number will be added to your account, and your Whop